The start of what may be a landmark case for police accountability in Maryland kicked off in Greenbelt today. Capitol Heights Police Chief Mohamed Magassouba claims he was discriminated against for 2.5 years while working for the Prince George's County Police Department. He is now the center of a federal civil rights trial. He says it all started after he refused to justify the amount of force a white officer used to arrest a black woman. Our Lionel Donovan was in the courtroom at the U.S. District Court in Greenbelt today and has more.
The day started with the judge laying down some ground rules, one of them being no police officer will be allowed to wear their uniform in the courtroom. Mohamed Magassouba, who's the chief of police for Capitol Heights, wore his uniform today. The judge says that could influence the jury, although he did acknowledge that he didn't think Magassouba was trying to do that intentionally. Afterwards, the courtroom interviewed dozens from the jury pool on a variety of topics such as workplace discrimination and race relations before finally deciding on their final jury. After a break for lunch, opening statements began. Before joining the Capitol Heights Police Department in 2022, Mohamed Magassouba spent 12 years with the Prince George's County Police Department. This blurry cell phone video from 2019 shows when Magassouba was responding as a backup to assist a white officer who was arresting a black woman in Prince George's County. That woman's son recorded the video. We spoke to Magassouba's attorney yesterday evening.
They tried to coerce him into changing his witness statement that he made that night to justify the use of force that is reflected in the video to protect the white officer. He refused to do so.
Magassouba's attorney, Jordan Howlett, alleges for the next 30 months, his client was discriminated against. Court documents outline a number of incidents, including his Ghanaian heritage, and that Magassouba was fired in 2021. Court documents show the department has denied all of his claims of racial discrimination, retaliation, and a hostile work environment. Lawyers representing the defendants in this case, which include the police department and specific officers he worked with, said in a legal response that Magassouba's termination was, quote, based on reasonable factors other than race and national origin, end quote. The alleged discrimination occurred while Hank Stawinski was chief of Prince George's County Police. Stawinski resigned in 2020 after an expert report related to a separate federal lawsuit filed by the Hispanic National Law Enforcement Officers Association detailed alleged incidents of racial discrimination, retaliation, and abuse within the department. After opening statements, the jury also heard from witnesses before closing for the day. Court will resume tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. From Greenbelt, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.